Houston's Outdoor Adventure.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Woohoo!
Come on, Daisy and Houston, play with us!
Hold your horses, Nature Cat. We're almost to the end of this level. Oh, no. I think you're gonna win, Houston.
I am an expert at Super Nature Run. Almost there. One moment, Daisy. My cousin Nigel from England is calling.
A cousin from England. Awesome.
Cousin Houston, old chap. How are you?
Hi, Cousin Nigel. It's me, Hal, baby.
Hello, Hal. Cousin Houston, I have some good news. I am coming to visit my favorite cousin. You're coming here? I'm so excited.
Me too, also.
I can't wait to go on one of your famous nature adventures with you. Oh, okay. Copy that. I'll be there next week. Cheerio.
Your cousin is coming all the way from England to go on a nature adventure with you? Give me some...
Ooh, what are you gonna do? I mean, there are so many nature adventure options.
You could hike up the mighty mountain.
You could climb trees in the woods.
You could go swimming in the lake.
Well,
Oh, I know how you and Nigel can do stuff like that all at once. The Tough Track Adventure. It's a nature obstacle course.
This looks perfect. Climbing over hills, diving under branches, jumping over creeks. Wait, creeks? Okay, scratch that last part. Nothing with creeks is perfect.
And it's happening the day that Nigel arrives. Let's do this. Aren't you excited, Houston?
Houston, do you have a problem?
it's just that I have never been on a nature adventure before. Never, sir. I'm usually the one assisting you with your nature needs by using my computer. I can't run, or jump, or climb, or even balance my body.
Houston. I'm sure Nigel will understand.
I do not want to disappoint one of my favorite cousins, but there is no way I can be ready for a nature adventure in the space of 1 week.
Never fear, Houston. We, your friends, will spend this week training you for the Tough Track Adventure.
You all would do that? For me?
Of course we would. You're always helping us with our adventures. Now it's time for us to help you get ready for yours.
Let's warm up. Tally-ho!
Tally-ho indeed. Cue inspirational music from the 1980s.
Nothing like a good stretch.
Gotta warm up the old muscles.
Gotta fuel up the tank.
I have found my center. I think my center's right about here.
Houston, we were supposed to be warming up.
I cannot start training without a chart. This chart will track my progress all week. I have one column for speed, one for balance, and one for strength. And of course, there's a calendar, so we can see how much time we have before Nigel arrives.
Well, that's a wonderful idea. It'll be so much easier to track your progress. Now, are you ready to train?
One moment, please. I believe I am now ready to train.
Onward, and let's trainward. For your first task, you will need balance and speed to make it through the hoop-to-hoop. You simply jump on one foot from hoop to hoop until you make it to the end. Okay, so maybe not just like that, but you get what I mean, right?
Go ahead, Houston. Try it. You got this.
Houston? I think he's frozen. I didn't know Houston could do that. That's amazing.
I don't know about this. I've never done anything like it before.
You'll never know how much fun it is until you try it.
Copy that, ma'am. Whoa. Balance is difficult for me. I don't think I can do this.
Don't give up, Houston. You can do it. Maybe you should practice jumping with 2 feet before you jump with just 1.
Excellent idea, Squeaks.
Copy that. I'll try.
You did it! Your next challenge is the rock toss. You just need to use all of your strength to pick up one of these rocks and throw it over the line. Allow me to demonstrate. Okay, Okay, so clearly this rock is too heavy for all of us, so why don't we just use smaller rocks?
Huh?
What? I have a particular set of skills. Ready, Houston?
Ready as I'll ever be.
Don't you worry, Houston. As you get stronger, you'll be able to throw even farther.
There we go. Now you can practice moving over and under.
Okay, name of the game here is to get through the obstacle course without touching any of the strings. Watch and learn. That's how we do it.
Ooh, no one loves string more than a cat. Oh, dear. Little stuck. So much string. Oh, my. And now you know how not to do the string course, Houston. That's why I did it this way. Any questions?
Oh, pick me. I have a question.
Yes, Hal.
Hi, Nature Cat. It's Hal here. Look, how are you going to get out of there? Follow-up question. Will you be frustratedly sighing next?
Cue montage music, please.
Sufficient progress.
Man, you're totally ready to do the Tough Track adventure.
And just in time. Nigel will be here soon, so you guys can do the adventure together.
Thank you for all your help. We should make our way to the course. I told Nigel to meet me there so I can surprise him.
We shall conquer this nature course. Tally-ho!